Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself Vinod Trivedi. Today we are going to discuss in grammar section error correction. Correct the underlined part and rewrite the correct sentence. Okay. So in this video we will discuss how to correct the errors. Okay, from paragraph. Dear students, okay, before understanding about correction of error, we have to learn, we have to think about all the parts of speech. Also sometime we have to think about opposite, okay, and according to the sentence, okay, we have to try to correct the error. So let us start. A good person always cheats other person. Okay, by reading this sentence we can come to know about that good person can never cheat. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to put opposite of always. Okay, so answer will be a good person never. Okay, what we have to do, we have to put never over here. Never cheats other person. Then it is ours duty to be good. Ours, no, only our, it is our duty. Okay, generally when we use our, it is a possessive. Okay, possessive pronoun. Okay, and what is over here, it is our duty. Okay, it is our duty to be good. Then our relation depend on our behavior with others. There is no correction. Gandhiji also gave more importance on behavior. No. Okay, to behavior. It is a preposition. On, generally when we use on for things, otherwise if one thing is on another thing. Okay, so for that meaning we are using on. So over here Gandhiji also gave more importance to behavior. Our neighborhood countries. Okay, you can see by reading we can say our neighborhood country, no, our neighboring country. What will be answer? Our neighboring country. So we have to put neighboring. Okay, NEIGHBOURING. Okay, neighboring countries are also helpful to us, so we are also helpful to them. Let us never quarrel with every other. No, every one another, एक दूसरे के साथ. What will be answer over here? One, okay, other. So these are some errors and we have corrected them. Now next one. Bunty's uncle had come from Mumbai, rode the new bike. Okay, rode. Actually, you can see what should be over here, riding. Okay, from Mumbai, riding the motorbike. Okay, motorbike को ride करके आए, तो आंसर आएगा riding. Okay, riding the motorbike. He was staying since 3 weeks. Okay, since shows point of time. Okay, when we can use since, when there is a fixed time, point of time, then we put since, like exact date. Okay, otherwise particular what's a day, we can use since. Okay, for particular year. Okay, 2015, 2020, since 2015, since 2020. So like this we use since. But suppose if you show period of time, duration, okay, for 3 months, for 5 months, for 3 weeks. Okay, over here you can say 3 weeks. What is given over here? 3 weeks. So we cannot use since. Instead of since we supposed to use for. Okay, what is needed over here? For why? Because 3 weeks there is a no fixed time, there is no point of time, it is period of time. So whenever period of time is there, we use for, and whenever point of time, we should use since. Okay, so that's the thing. Now next, 3 glorious week. Okay, so again I am repeating, he was staying for 3 weeks, 3 glorious weeks. Every afternoon before is given, before Bunty's uncle slept, we could I add blue wonder. Okay, you can see एक्चुअली ये इसमें स्टोरी कैसी है कि जो ये बंटी के अंकल मुंबई से एक बाइक लेके आए और जो बाकी की चिल्लर पार्टी है बच्चों की, उनको ये बाइक बाहर निकाल के राइड करनी है। तो मीनिंग ऐसा जा रहा है कि जब ये अंकल सो जाए तब उनके मतलब कि ड्रीमिंग करने लगते थे, वो बाइक चलाएंगे और सारी पूरा प्लान बनाया था। एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा पार्ट लिया स्टोरी का। एवरी आफ्टरनून बिफोर बंटी अंकल, बिफोर नहीं आएगा, व्हेन, जब वो सोते थे तब। ओके, एवरी आफ्टरनून व्हेन बंटी's uncle slept, we could I add blue wonder. Okay, then sometimes blue wonder actually बाइक का कलर था। बंटी managed to take off his uncle's red helmet. Okay, take off. Okay, take off का मतलब तो निकाल देना होता है, यहाँ take out, what will be needed? तो समटाइम बंटी मैनेज टू टेक आउट हिज अंकल्स रेड हेलमेट। ओके, कभी कभी वो रेड हेलमेट निकाल देता था, तो व्हाट शुड बी नीडेड? टेक आउट। ओके, कई जगह से कोई चीज़ निकालना। ओके, टेक आउट योर बुक्स जस्ट लाइक। टेक ऑफ मतलब अलग चीज़ है। ओके, सो बंटी मैनेज टू टेक आउट हिज अंकल्स रेड हेलमेट, वी वुड वेयर इट। ओके, हेलमेट पहन लिया, वी वुड वेयर इट इन टर्न बाय टर्न, देन बट सीट ऑन दी बाइक। अब देखो, बट इट मीन्स, बट ऑलवेज शोज कॉन्ट्रास्ट, बट ओवर हियर देयर इज नो कॉन्ट्रास्ट, ओवर हियर सपोर्ट इज हियर। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? वी वुड ईट इन टर्न एंड सीट ऑन दी बाइक। ओके, पहना और उस पर मतलब बैठ गए बाइक पे। वी वुड वेयर इट इन टर्न एंड सिट ऑन द बाइक, हैंड स्टिचिंग फॉर राइड विथ हिज अंकल एंड आवर हार्ट वर फिल्ड विथ envy. Okay, so there is a special feelings for driving. So these are the correction we have seen over here. Okay students, now third paragraph, let us see. Thank you for letter with all news. You has asked me to tell everyone, tell about. See, you and has never comes. Okay, what should be needed over here? Have. As we know that has is used for singular, otherwise for third person we can say. So you have asked me to tell you about mine town Bijapur. No, you have asked me to tell you about my town. Okay, we never use mine. Okay, mine, as we know, mine is possessive. Okay, but in this way, suppose whose book is this? So this book is mine, but we never say this is mine book. Okay, we use only this is my book. So in same form, what is answer over here? My. Again I am repeating, you have asked me to tell you about my town Bijapur. Well, it's an old town. Okay, it is a wrong. It is an old town, otherwise we can put short form of its. Okay, so what we can do, we put apostrophe. Okay, it's, otherwise it is, we can use any of them. It is an old town. The people are very friendly. There is an old fort in the middle of the town. Okay, much visitors. Okay, how it can possible much? Okay, visitors, they are countable things sometimes. Okay, so what is needed over here? Many, not much. Okay, much is used for quantity, uncountable things. So much visitors come to see the temple. The bus service is quite well, but I use my bicycle because I am fond of cycles now. I am fond of cycling. Okay, what is needed over here? Cycling. CYCLING, cycling. Okay, I am fond of cycling. Okay, again I am repeating this thing. Thank you for later with all news. You have asked me to tell you about my town Bijapur. Well, it is an old town. The people are very friendly. There is an old fort in the middle of the town. Many visitors come to see the temple, but the bus service is quite well, but I use my bicycle because I am fond of cycling. Okay, so by this way we have finished third paragraph. Now move to next. Number 4, the elephant is a intelligent animal. So okay, I is there, so which article should be needed? N. The elephant is an intelligent animal. Okay, there is no need to say about the article A and the, as you know very well. Okay, for A E I O U sound, make sure for sound only A E I O U. What supposed to we use? N, and remaining consonants we use A. Okay, I is given, the sound of intelligent is also E, so we supposed to use N. The elephant is an intelligent animal. Generally the elephants live in crowd. Okay, see over here there is need of vocabulary. Okay, crowd word is used for human beings. Okay, for men, people we can say. For animal, what supposed to use? Herd. Okay, herd. So generally the elephant live in herd. The head of the family rules over everyone. Okay, जो उसका उनका मैन होता है, हेड ऑफ फैमिली, वो सब पे मतलब राज दरबार के रूल्स और रेगुलेशन बनाता है. दे सर्च ऑन फूड टुगेदर. नो. Okay, they search for food. Okay, what preposition is needed? Preposition for. They search for food together and share the food equally. The older. Okay, ये older नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ. What should be needed? Elder. जैसे कि दो भाई बहन है, दो भाई है, एक बड़ा एक छोटा है. ओके, कोई 5 साल बड़ा है, तो हम सपोज ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि भाई ये मेरा ओल्डर ब्रदर है. ओके, वी कैन नॉट से. हम बोल सकते ये मेरा एल्डर ब्रदर है. ओल्ड मतलब पुराना हो जाता है, तो ये मतलब नहीं लेना है यहाँ एल्डर. ओके, तो एज के हिसाब से अगर कोई बात हो तो एल्डर आपको ध्यान में रखना है. ओके, सो द एल्डर, व्हाट वी सपोज टू यूज? एल्डर. ओके, द एल्डर वंस look after the younger ones. The mother elephant is very careful. Okay, while is needed, not when. While. Okay, ing is there, we supposed to use while. The mother elephant is very careful while feeding the young one. Okay, the elephants can be trained easily. Okay, as we know, the elephant is an intelligent animal, so they are also trained very easily, and that is why nowadays it is totally prohibited, okay, for animal to work in circus and all such kind of things, but earlier they used, okay, in a large amount. Okay, so by this way we have what say finished number 4 paragraph. Okay, and we are keeping the end of the video. Students, what you supposed to do, you have to write down this thing in your grammar book. Okay, you can give title also, error correction. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.